friends. We're going to do something fun today with our Elephant and Piggy book. We're going to do Let's Go for a Drive. I found an app that will play sound effects to this book while we read it. So we're going to try that today, and we're going to get it started. There it goes. Okay, let's go for a drive. Oh, and here we see Elephant and Piggy and all these different vehicles, and a semi, and a convertible, and a race car, a truck, and of course, a bus. Let's go for a drive. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Okay, it wants us to do it in rhythm next time. Okay, wait. If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Drive, 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 drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Oh, that was fun. Wait. It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have the sunglasses. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sunglasses. Wait. It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have the umbrellas. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Wait. We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Ugh, I have the bags. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy bag, bags. Wait. There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car. I said we need a car. Uh-oh. I think they realized that they're missing something. Do you have a car, Piggy? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive, except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now? We could play pirate. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arrgh! The end. Oh, and there goes Elephant and Piggy sailing off on the 7 seas with Pigeon. See him right there? There he is. Well, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that story. Let's go for a drive. And you can tune into the next video and we'll read some more chapters of The Wild Robot. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.